Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about C++ Lambda expression. In C++ 11, a Lambda expression is defined as a convenient way of defining an anonymous function object right at the location where it is invoked or passed as an argument to a function. Okay, so we're going to jump into Eclipse CDT and demonstrate how to use Lambda expression. Okay, so let's jump into Eclipse CDT. We're going to begin creating the program by adding our preprocessor directive, include vector to create our dynamic array, include string, include IOStream for standard output, include algorithm. And there is a method that we use. It's called the for each. Okay, using namespace, standard, and then create our main routine. So I'm going to begin by creating a vector list with a few numbers. Okay. Then I'm going to create the anonymous function or method. And you can see that the anonymous method begins with a open square bracket and then closing square bracket. Then my param list. So in my param list, I'm going to say constant int of n. Okay, and then in the body, I'm going to basically check to see if my number is between a range that I want. And then print it out to standard output. Okay. So you can see that I actually have to put a semicolon here for the anonymous method. Okay. Then I'm going to do a for each. Beginning. And then n of my list. Okay. Then I'm going to call out the print method. Okay, let's do a save here. Let's compile the code. Okay, so it goes successfully. Let's open conemu and cd to where the demo is located. And let's execute the program. Okay, as you can see, it prints out the value in the vector between 45 and 47. Okay, and including 45 and 47. Okay, so here's another way. For example, I want to compare two numbers. I can create a method called compare, and basically have two values to compare, two variables to compare, a and b, and I can return And what this method's going to do is it's going to return to me as a Boolean. If the values are equal, it's going to return true. Otherwise, it's going to return false. So to use this, we just say, all right, Boolean equal compare value A versus value B. And let's do a cout of that Boolean. Okay, save it, and then recompile. And then go to conemu and test out the new program. Okay, so it returns back as 1, indicating that 25 and 25 is the same. Okay, so the nice thing about C++ is that you can compare string or numbers. To me, it doesn't really matter. So you can use, for example, compare between two strings, string 1 and string 2. And then save and then recompile. Okay, and we can execute it again, and you can see that string 1 and string 2 are not the same, so the return value is 0. Okay, alright, so that's the end of the quick tutorial for the Lambda expression and using anonymous method. See you next time.